You need to maintain space between your vehicle and possible hazards in every driving situation. The first step is managing the distance between your vehicle and the vehicle ahead. Describe how to use a 3-second following distance. An adequate following distance lets you see farther ahead, lets others see you better, gives you more time to use IPDE, puts you in a better position to avoid a front-end collision. A 3-second following distance provides a safe distance from the vehicle ahead in most normal driving situations. This is how you do it. You pick a fixed checkpoint on the road. All right, it can be a line, it can be a trash can, a telephone pole, whatever. Okay, as soon as the car ahead reaches that, you begin counting. When the vehicle ahead of you passes the checkpoint, count for 3 seconds, 1001, 1002, 1003. If the hood of your car does not reach the fixed reference point in 1003, then you have established an adequate following distance. If not, slow down and add more distance. A 3-second distance only protects you from colliding with the vehicle you are following. It is not the total stopping distance you need to avoid hitting a stationary object. Increase your following distance to more than 3 seconds if driving conditions are not ideal. Look over, through, and around the vehicle you are following. Look for reflection of brake lights on wet pavement. Be alert for brake lights. I'm telling you guys, when you're driving, don't fixate on the car right in front of you. I mean, of course you've got to pay attention. But if you see brake lights up here, like at that white van, those brake lights are going to affect you somehow, some way. Be alert at intersections where drivers may have to stop for traffic or pedestrians, parked vehicles, and business driveways with high volume traffic. When you see brake lights, pull your foot off the gas. You don't have to hit the brake, just pull your foot off the gas. Describe how you can safely manage a tailgater. You're in a high-risk situation when someone tailgates or follows too closely. A tailgater is a hazard because if you have to stop suddenly, the tailgating driver can hit you from the rear. The driver of the yellow car has added tailgater protection by using following distance greater than 3 seconds. Increase your following distance to at least 4 seconds. Move slightly to the right. Signal early for turns, stops, and lane changes. Flash your brakes lights ahead of time. Slow sooner to make a gradual stop. In extreme situations, change lanes or pull out traffic. List some steps to avoid conflicts with oncoming traffic. If a driver crosses a center lane, you must react instantly to avoid a collision. If the vehicle comes towards you, take these actions to avoid a collision. Slow until the other driver can return to the normal lane. Turn or flash your headlights and blow your horn. Swerve sharply to an open space on the right if needed. If you were the driver approaching this intersection, what are some predictions you can make to avoid potential conflict? Why are tailgaters dangerous? How can you avoid a conflict with oncoming vehicle in your lane? Let's go back up here. If you're the driver approaching this intersection, what are some predictions? All right. I'm predicting that those bikes are going to go right across and that car may not see them. You need to just sort of stay back. I'm assuming you're not the blue car. You're in a completely different car. Okay. Just be aware. Just slow down. Slow down. That's the best thing.